your team is buried in spreadsheets and firefighting daily problems, AI could be your secret weapon for turning chaos into control. Logistics is everywhere, even if we don't see it. It is how raw materials get to factories, how finished products reach warehouses, and how packages arrive at our doors. Hey, I'm Lida, a former truck driver, fleet manager, and the last couple of years I have been doing freight brokering. So I have done it all when it comes to logistics, and I have seen firsthand how this industry runs and how much better it can run with the right tools. That's why I'm here to show you how AI is changing the game and how you can use it to stay ahead. So let's get started. Now imagine improving all of that with artificial intelligence, not just making things faster, but also smarter, cheaper, and more reliable. That's what AI is doing to logistics. So let's break it down for you. What does AI in logistics actually mean, right? AI in logistics means using computers and algorithms to do tasks that normally require human thinking, like predicting trends, solving problems, making decisions, or even physically moving items. For example, think about route optimization. A delivery truck has to visit 30 locations in a day. Normally, a human might use GPS and a bit of guesswork, but AI can analyze traffic, weather, distance, and delivery windows in real time to find the most efficient paths. That alone saves fuel, time, and money every single day. Another example is demand forecasting. A clothing retail needs to know how many jackets to stock before winter. If they guess too low, they lose sales. Too high, they are stuck with unsold inventory. AI can look at past sales, local weather trends, and even social media chatter to make accurate prediction. That means better stock levels, fewer losses, and happier customers. Where else AI used in logistics? Let's look at few main areas. Inventory management. AI can help warehouses keep track of stock, predict when items will run out, and automatically reorder them. This reduces the need for manual counting and prevents overstocking or stockouts. Warehouse automation. Some companies use robots powered by AI to move products, pack boxes, and even check quality. These robots work 24/7, don't take breaks, and barely make mistakes. These robots work 24/7, don't take breaks, and rarely make mistakes, which is amazing. Shipping and delivery. AI helps plan delivery routes, manage fleets, and monitor traffic in real time. Some companies are testing self-driving trucks and delivery drones, which could eventually cut delivery times dramatically. Next one is a big one, customer experience with AI. Customers can track their orders in real time, receive accurate delivery estimates, and even chat with AI-powered customer service for updates or changes. Risk management and planning. AI can scan through news reports, weather alerts, or supplier data to warn companies of potential disruptions like a factory shutdown or a storm hitting a major route, so they can act quickly. So, you might ask, what are the actual benefits? Let's start with cost saving, which is big. Everyone wants to save cost. AI cuts cost in a few ways. Less fuel use thanks to smarter routes, right? Fewer workers needed for repetitive tasks. Fewer delays, which reduces penalties and unhappy customers. For example, DHL used AI to optimize warehouse picking routes and saw a 30% increase in productivity. Amazon's AI robots handle millions of packages a day, reducing labor costs and speeding up shipping. Next is delegation, big one. With AI, human workers don't need to focus on repetitive or data-heavy tasks. Instead, they can focus on exceptions, decisions, and improvements. AI doesn't replace people, it lets them focus on higher level work, which is building relationship, networking, and there is automation. Automation matters. Fewer errors, faster processes, and more consistency. An AI robot doesn't get tired. a predictable algorithm doesn't forget to reorder stock. That kind of reliability can dramatically improve customer satisfaction. And of course, finally, scalability. As a business grows, AI systems can handle larger volumes of data, orders, or deliveries without needing to hire tons of new people. That means growth is more affordable and less chaotic. So now let's talk why early adoption matters. Here is the thing. Companies that start using AI now are learning faster. They are building better systems, collecting more data, and fine-tuning their operation while others are still thinking about it. As an early adopter, you can reduce costs sooner, improve faster, gain insights before competitors, and of course, grow your business, set industry standards. With AI, think of it like switching from paper maps to GPS before anyone else. While others are fighting out directions the old way, you are already halfway there. Take Maersk, the shipping giant. They adopted AR early to track containers across the globe. Now they can predict delays, reroute shipments, and communicate with customers faster than many of their competitors. And this is their advantage. So, final thoughts. AI in logistics isn't just about cool tech, it is about smarter business, it is about saving money, speeding up delivery, reducing waste, and improving customer satisfaction. And the companies that adopt early AI, they are not just keeping up, they are pulling ahead. So, whether you are managing a global supply chain or just thinking about automating a warehouse, AI can help. And the sooner you start, the more you learn, the better you get, and the more competitive you become. So now it is your decision to adopt AI or to stay behind. If you want a free AI audit for your logistics business, book a call with me today, and don't forget to follow, subscribe, and support my channel so I can keep creating more content like this to help you level up your logistics game.